Cymone.
What is up, King Killers? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. So it is officially springtime. Y'all already know what that means on my channel. I'm bringing y'all a cleaning video. I feel like every single springtime I come out with a cleaning video. So we are going to be doing a deep clean of the entire house today, even though there's still 3 other bedrooms that I haven't even gotten to decorate completely yet, that y'all haven't seen yet. It felt like I was cleaning for a long ass time, but we got it all done. It took me like 2 days to get everything done. I can't imagine how it's going to be once I get all 3 rooms done. Every time I think about calling cleaners to actually come to my house and clean my space, it's just something about doing it myself, which is just so therapeutic for me. I don't know what it is, but cleaning is definitely my therapy. It's definitely where I feel like I can just free my mind and just start off fresh whenever I need my little reset. So that's what we're doing today. Before we get into the cleaning video, I wanted to tell y'all about a brand called Halara. Halara is a company that offers loungewear sets, workout sets. They're so comfortable, so soft. I'm actually wearing one of the sets right now. These sets are some of my favorite things to wear around the house when I'm just lounging, chilling, cleaning. So before we get into the cleaning, I have just a few pieces to show y'all from Halara. I'm gonna try them on for y'all, and then we're gonna get straight into the cleaning, y'all. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so here is outfit number 1. We just have these black leggings with this purple top. This is a zip-up top, super soft, y'all. The jacket does arm armholes, and yeah, so here's the front, and then this is what the back looks like. And all of my pieces are in an extra small. They super stretchy. You can work out in this, clean the house in this, whatever you need to do, girl. I do have a 20% off discount code that you can use. It is Kennedy0. You can get 20% off your order. So this is top number 2. I actually already showed y'all this black top to match these leggings before in one of my previous vlogs, but I have worn this one already. Y'all can see how it really shapes to my body. I don't have on body shapers underneath. I don't have on a waist trainer, so you can really tell how it just fits like a glove. Check out the details. This one also has the arm sleeve things, and then here is the back. Perfect everyday set. All right, y'all, so here is set number 2. Love these brown shades. I love how the waist part is like cinched in, and y'all check out the detailing on the leggings. Here's the back. Okay, y'all, so I literally just changed the pants. I don't have any more tops to show y'all. These are like a nice cream color. They look a little bit lighter on camera, but they are like a cream color. And then they just have like a white tie, and they do have pockets on both sides. All right, I got one more pair of pants to show y'all, and then we're gonna get into the cleaning. All right, so these are the last set of pants. These are just white pants. So you can kind of tell the difference on camera, but these are like a cream color, and then these are like very white. This is what they are giving, and they have the pockets as well on both sides. Once again, make sure y'all use my discount code Kennedy0 to get 20% off your order at Halara. All right, y'all, let's get straight into the cleaning video now. So I started off in my bathroom. I had a ton of skincare products out that I needed to put up, so I just cleared off the counter and got to cleaning. And yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all enjoy some of this footage for real. I ain't really got nothing else to say. Then I moved on to the shower, just organizing all of my shower products. And I'm so glad I bought this shower head. It makes it so much easier to clean the shower. So I'm going in with that good old Comet and cleaning my shower. And I bought this little shower tool off of Amazon. You charge it and it comes with different brush heads that you can use to clean. And girl, this speeds up the process of cleaning so much. You don't have to worry about bending down as much. So now that the bathroom is all sparkly clean, we moving on to my bedroom. I started off by washing my bed sheets, and y'all check out my little laundry room organization. I will have a separate video of some of the organization and stuff that I've been doing coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And while my bed sheets were cleaning, I went ahead and vacuumed and dusted. Be surprised how much dust and stuff gets on the top of your headboard and on that fan. After that, I just cleaned down all my mirrors in the room, and I be having OCD when it comes to these mirrored nightstands. Like, those little smudges be getting on my nerves, but went ahead and cleaned those off, and then I moved on to the dresser area. Okay, so moving on to the loft area. I'm just straightening up, doing some vacuuming. This area of my house still feels very bland to me, so I do want to find some more cute decorations and stuff to add. And on the walls, I feel like I need some more wall art, so definitely gonna have to do that soon. So as y'all can see, this is the laundry room. I have definitely done a lot more organizing and stuff in this room. Look at me with my little hand touch trash can. Your vanity doesn't look like this after you done doing your makeup. Are you really getting ready? About to clean this up, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we in the beauty room now. This is probably the area that gets the messiest the most often, because I'm always in here doing my hair, doing my makeup, getting ready. So I am cleaning it up for the 1,000,000th time. I have to clean up this room at least probably once a week. And I don't know where that little fur ball on my butt came from, y'all. It ain't no tissue or nothing, so don't try me. But yeah, that was really bothering me that was on my butt this whole time in this footage. But yeah, we just cleaning up the vanity desk. So by this time my sheets were done being washed. I went ahead and put those back on the bed. I ain't gonna lie, I was being very lazy making up my bed. I did not feel like making it all cute and perfect, so I was gonna get right back in it in a few hours, so I ain't do too much to my bed. But after that, I just folded some towels. And then moving on to the kitchen, I had some dishes to wash, so I went ahead and did that. And I also scrubbed down stove. It definitely needed it. If your stove don't get crumbs and oil and stuff all over it, that means you ain't cooking like that for real, for real. Okay, y'all, so that was everything I did for day one. On day two, I focused on more of the downstairs area and mopping. Y'all, I just had to show y'all my little organization, girl. I've been really going crazy with my labels and stuff. I don't know why, it's just so satisfying to me. So, oh yeah, I tried the little oven hack where you put a bowl of hot water in the microwave before you clean it out. And that really does help with like loosening up any grease and stuff in your microwave. So if you haven't tried that little hack out, you should. To pull out the broom, y'all. I was so mad because my little electric vacuum that I had been using wouldn't charge, so we're using the old-fashioned broom. And then I ordered the wrong cedar mop. This one does not have the little step spin thing. This is like the cheaper cedar mop. So I ordered it on Instacart and they brought me the wrong one. So we had to do it what we had, and I went ahead and just mopped the entire downstairs area. And I had also bought this steam mop. I had never used a steam mop before, but I had bought this literally when I still lived in LA and never used it. So I finally hooked it up and decided to use it. Honestly, I don't see the hype of it, but it's supposed to get rid of any extra germs. So after that, I did a deep clean in my refrigerator, getting rid of anything that was expired and just cleaned out the whole refrigerator. I also had just got new groceries, so I went ahead and just stocked everything back up. And one thing you're not gonna find aesthetic in my house is my refrigerator, okay? I love me some soda. I know it's not good, but after that, I went ahead and emptied the dishwasher. And y'all, these wall erasers are the bomb. If you have any little marks on your walls, these wall erasers definitely help get rid of them. You can find them pretty much anywhere, Walmart, Target. Okay y'all, so I am in the powder room. This is the room right next to the living room. There's two pictures right here, and I'm gonna put 1 and 2, and then this marble textured piece I'm gonna put right here. I had my dad put these up. I gotta find some cute little decorations to go top. Just have like a tissue holder and a candle. Yeah, we gotta find some cute little stuff to put in there. Does that look even to y'all? So I ain't use no tape measure. This is what the bathroom is looking like so far. Can't wait to get some cute decorations to go up there. Yeah. Oh, and I gotta get a little towel thing. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed today's cleaning video, spring cleaning. We're getting ready for the summertime with the clean space. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more decorating of the other spaces that I haven't showed y'all. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, King Killers. Mwah.